Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's find objects from letter M to O. Let's start. Find objects. Color the letter and circle the related object. This is letter M. Let's color the letter M. This is letter M. Monkey, mango, moon, mask, tomato and rose. Let's circle the letter M object. M is for monkey, mango, moon, mask, monkey, mango, moon, mask. This is letter N. Let's color the letter N. This is letter M. Necklace, net, jeep, nose, nest, mango. Let's circle the letter N objects. Necklace, net, nose, nest. N is for necklace, net, nose, nest. This is letter O. Let's color the letter O. This is letter O. Owl, tiger, onion, rabbit, orange, ostrich. Let's circle the letter O object. Owl, onion, orange, ostrich. Owl, orange, onion, ostrich. M is for monkey, mango, moon, mask. N is for necklace, net, nose, nest. This is letter O. Owl, onion, orange, ostrich. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.